Is your dishwasher not cleaning your dishes well? Could be your spray arms. Let's take them out. The top arm attaches here and here. Simply push back. For the lower arm, grab this tab here and rotate it to the left, and out it goes. Let's check our flow. Water should be pouring out freely from all these holes. This one seems to be okay. If it was not okay though, you might have to clean those holes with a toothpick or other thin tool. Or if you have white limescale buildup, soak it in vinegar for maybe half an hour or so. Then clean some more with a toothpick or toothbrush and run the water through again. It's the same story for the bottom arm. This part comes off. You can clean off that area if it's dirty. Then we're going to pour water in here and watch it come out of the holes there and that hole there. Same as before. If you have any clogs, clean them out with your pick or use vinegar to dissolve your limescale. Here's a tip. If you need to use vinegar, you can use some foil to wrap the part to create a little small pool for it. Half an hour just like that, then clean it out with your pick and rinse with water. Alright, and back it goes. By the way, if you haven't subscribed already, this channel's been growing fast, so now's a great time to join. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and leave a comment down below.